Luke, you want to go to Disneyland? Are you excited? You want to see Mickey Mouse? You want to see Minnie Mouse? How about Goofy? You like Goofy? You show everybody what you're doing? You're in the car. Yeah. You love it? I know. See,
You like Donald Duck.
You like Donald Duck? How about Mickey Mouse?
I thought Donald was your favorite.
How about Goofy? Yeah, that's your favorite, huh? You want to hang out with them? Yeah?
Do you want him to come over to your hotel room and hang out?
How bad? Oh, yeah. Are you enjoying the ride still? You know you're one of the only few kitties that likes to drive in the car. Yeah.
You like road trips?
See, there's his view right now.
Road trip.
You having fun?
Are you sitting on top of your cage on your favorite blanket?
Yeah? Are you going to be a kitty star? When you grow up?
Are you going to be famous?
See, there's his litter box. And there's Lucky. He doesn't really talk that much. What? Luke, say hi to everyone. Tell them you like them. Yeah, I know. You're very smart. I didn't see her going through this.